make cabbage rolls.
Let's boil the cabbage for minutes. While boiling the cabbages, I'm making a sauce to put inside of the rolls. Chop garlics and onions, put inside a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon maple syrup. I will use the green onions to tie each of the cabbage rolls. After cut, just boil it few seconds. Let's make rolls. Put some rice and sauce and roll it tight with the green onion. For the side dishes, I will make crispy tofus. Remove some water after cutting it and cover with flour and cornstarch. And fry with coconut oil. For the tofu sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and green onion. Thanks for watching my channel today.